Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Anas, and yeah, welcome to Solar FPV. It's miserable, absolutely miserable outside. It's sleet and snow and wet, and that's not real snow. That's from Christmas with the decorations and stuff. I haven't taken them down because it's kind of cheerful in a lockdown to still sort of have these Christmas decorations up. We have a saying here in Denmark that Christmas lasts till Easter. Uh, Obviously it doesn't, but it's just something funny. Yeah, very dark here in the house. No power, and yeah, not much to say. I got some things though that came in the mail. The Mobula 6 HD obviously didn't come in this, but it's very nice. This is like a just a plastic container that had like sort of some kind of some salad stuff in it, and yeah, and whoops fit perfectly in these, so that's very nice. I always put one of these silica things in just in case, just to keep humidity out. So yeah, Mobula 6 HD. I tried flying indoors in really low light, and the camera obviously doesn't perform very good in very low light conditions. And there's been lots of reviews about this. Some things, I have changed a few things already on the Mobula 6 HD. Changed the motor screws for some that are made for, because the ones that come with like plastic screws, these ones are actually are Phillips screws, but with made for sunglasses. So they had the right size. I don't know if you can see the screw there holding the camera. Changed those. I also put in a screw here up front. Put a little spacer in. That's just one of these things you clean your ears with. I don't know what they're called. They are like made of plastic still, some of them, and I just used that as something to push down on the front here, because it was a bit sort of raised up. The actual what is it? The Runcam Split 3 thing. I know thing was raised up a bit, so I didn't like that. So yeah, all in all, it flies really well. It's really nice. I haven't really done anything. I just lowered the pits a bit because there was just overkill when you're not flying acro with this. It's not meant for acro. But I'm gonna put emo flight on as soon as possible, and yeah, and that's it. Not much to say about that. I haven't. There's no video footage coming out anytime soon because I haven't really. I would like to fly it outside, but there's not been a possibility to do that. Ghost 1, I think I should call it, is coming on very nicely. Still waiting for the Mobula 6 frame, because it's a bit lighter than this frame, and other than that, then the weight has come down quite a bit. Changing from the 3-bladed props to the 4-bladed props now enables this one to fly acro really nicely. So there's going to be coming some stuff about that. Still waiting for higher kV motors, but actually I don't think it's necessary unless you're running 3-bladed props. I don't know. This seems to be the way to go with the 4 blades of the gem fans, and now it's absolutely see-through. So it's really a ghost quad. A lot more information will be coming about this. I do want to change the whole configuration. Instead of having the XM Plus, to make it even lighter for like a light racer, I think I would go with the all-in-one board from Happy Model, the same one that's in the Mobula 6 HD, and then just have a really light camera, and that's it, and just one LED or 2 LEDs. But I mean, making the if I lose the XM Plus and the VTX here, both range with the video and everything is going to be worse, so you can't really go very far. And my idea was to actually have a whoop that you can fly more than just 30 meters away from you, or 50 meters with just 25 milliwatts with a better one. But I just got a new video transmitter. I think it's also from Heavy Model, and it does up to 400 milliwatts, and it's absolutely tiny. So that might go in here instead of the video transmitter I have. I'll see what the weight difference is. It actually has an IPEX connector. This one's soldered on directly, which makes this one, the antenna part, a little bit lighter. But yeah, that's just me rambling on about my whoops. I have done a little bit, as you can hear. You know, I've been speculating and ordering parts and stuff. But yeah, uh, lighting here. I'm in front of the window just so you can see these quads and everything that I'm doing here, because otherwise you wouldn't be able to see anything, because it's really, really dark here. Really dark. Not even the solar panels are feeling that there is any light outside, so there's no power going in. Anyway, there will be stuff coming. I also just got the Tyro 79 DIY kit, which is a lot more different than the Tyro 79 pre-built, which comes with the Light Radio 2. I also saw that the Light Radio 2 SE has just come on the market, so that's very interesting because that one does Bayang protocol as well. Although I don't think, I mean, come on, man. The E010, I don't know. Maybe a few people still fly silverware, and they would like that compatibility, and I can understand that. Yeah. So. But I'll be assembling the Tyro 79. I'm going to try and see if I can make a video about it. But there's just loads of videos out on YouTube about that, and it's an old quad. I'm just building it for a friend of mine because he needs a good starter quad, and it's pretty damn robust, that one. So, yeah. So that's it. Check out my other content in my playlists and subscribe for more RC and drone related content. Give me a comment down below. What would you like to see in 2021? Are you still flying your Roops around because it's dead cold in where you are? Which one is your favorite? Which one have you flown? Have you done a video about it? Is it on YouTube? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to see some channels, some of you guys' channels, some of your whoops and stuff. Just like a little short video like I've done, like this one. And yeah, stay safe. Thank you for watching. And as always, fly hard. Miserable weather.